Hello students, we are studying a series of tense and up till now we studied simple present, simple past and now we want to go for simple future. This is the last tense of our group A, that is simple tenses. Okay, so let me introduce you simple future. So what is my planning now? Firstly, we want to understand structure of simple future, and after structure, which subjects or which person takes which helping verb. It is necessary to understand. Okay, and after that, we are going to understand usage of simple future. So let us begin. Name of our tense is simple future. Okay. Name of our tense is simple future. What is the structure of simple future? Formula or structure we have, that is S plus helping verb in bracket shall oblique will plus first form of the verb object oblique complement. This is the structure of simple. The main structure we call it S plus shall will plus V1 plus OC. Here S means subject, HV means helping verbs. We have shall and will. Then we first form of the verb. Then there will be object or complement. It's an optional. Sometime object will be there. Sometime object and complement. Okay. So let us talk about persons. Which person takes which helping verb. So example here, that is first person we have I and we. These first persons are called as subject. And which helping verb do they take? You know, they take shall. I or we shall drink water. That is our example. So here shall is here helping verb, then drink is first form of the verb and water is object. So for reading we are going to start like this. I shall drink water or we shall drink water. Okay. Now we want to understand information regarding the will. So in second example you will get it. We have second person. Do you know which is second person? Second person singular as well as plural we have you. Then we have third person singular. Which are the third person singular? That is he, she and it. And the third person plural we have, that is they. And these persons are called as subject in English grammar. These persons are called as subject in English grammar, and these person or subject will take the helping verb and its name is will. Then V1 for V1 and object for object. Okay, that is V1 and object. So second person you, then third person singular he, she, it, and plural they. These subjects will take the helping verb, that is will. But there are many students who misunderstand and they use shall sometime with these persons, but it is wrong. We need to understand it, and we want to take precaution while speaking or writing. Which subjects will take which helping verb. Okay, and what is the use of simple future tense? Use of simple future tense is what? The things or events or actions which will occur or which will take place in future, but they are indefinite, uncertain actions which are going to occur or take place in future. We use simple future tense. For example, I shall go to Mumbai. Suppose somebody say like this, I shall go to Mumbai. If he gets any another urgent job, he may not go to Mumbai. He may remain at his own native place only. So uncertain actions of simple future, uncertain actions of future, those are described with the help of simple future. Thank you, students.